Hello guys, my name is Pradeep Wadet. I am from Sufalam Technologies, and in today's session we will learn how to implement Google Map in ReactJS. So first of all, we look how Google Maps will render it on your web browser. So before starting implementation of Google Maps, we identify what is Google Maps. So Google Map is a web service that provides detailed information about geographical region and sites worldwide. So it's an website which show a geographical location of particular location. So why to use or why to implement Google Maps in any web application? Basically, Google Maps are evolved over years from a simple virtual map to a way to find local businesses, plan your trip in details, and discover new suggested location. It helps users to find anything and everything from finding nearby restaurant, finding a car repair shop, or finding the best cocktail in town. Google Map is a great solution. Basically, you can find every any business location or any repair shop or any ATMs, petroleum station with the help of Google Map. Google Map helps people to find location. So basically, you can find any location which is mapped on the Google Map. Google Map allow people to contact location quickly. So it's provide a direction for particular location with multiple option. Uh, Google Maps give customer credibility through reviews. Google Maps providing review facility, so they can user can add review or particular location, so it increase credibility. Uh, After that, Google Map JavaScript API. So this API is used for JavaScript to integrate Google Map. The Google Map API consists of four basic map types that you can modify using layers and style, control and pivot, and various service and libraries. Before we actually implement Google Maps in our React.js application, here are the requirements which we have to fulfill before starting. So first one is we need an Google Cloud Platform account. From there, we have to enable and the Map JavaScript API. After that, we have to add Google Map API key for, and after that, we have to enable the billing. Before going to actual implementation, we have to create an account on Google Cloud. So for that, we have to create a project with the project name, and we have to follow the Google guidance for how to add keys on that. Before that, uh, we if we have any predefined project or existing user project in the Google Cloud, then we can use the same project for the Google Map as well. After that, we have to add billing details. Okay, so after that, we have to implement an Google Map React library, which is available on npm. So we will check out how to go for that. So first of all, we have to create a React application. Then after we will install an Google Map package, and also we have to get the keys from Cloud Console and the default long for the current location or any predefined location. So let's create an web application. We have to use npx for creating a React application. So I write down npx create React tab and the name of the project. So I choose Google Map demo for as my project name. After we have to install an Google Map React library from the npm. So for that we have to write down in the terminal npm install Google dash map dash React and hit the enter button. So after that we can run the project. Okay, so for that we have to add a component where we can write the code for map. So I created a component with default map.js under the src component, and for that we have to add the below command, which is in form of the tag that we have to write down in the default map.js file, where you can to use default location, which I have root write down, and also we have to replace the Google Map key from the Google Cloud. While we add that particular element on the default map.js file, we also have to add a parent tag with the fixed height. So Google Map will only render if we have to provide height and width. So let's check out example. Mainly we have to import Google Map React, and then after we have to add an parent element for height, and then we have to copy the Google Map React tag from the component, where we have to replace key, which is from Google Map console, and as well as we have to provide the let and long for the default location, and also we have to pass the default zoom. Default zoom we can pass from 8 to whatever we have required. So I set as a 16. Okay, so once the map is loaded completely, it's shown like this on the web browser once we run the command npm run start. Okay, you can find the complete example on the GitHub, which is link provided in the this. Okay, yeah, thank you guys. Follow us on social media.